Okay, I want to show everybody where to go to help prepare for this week's test on principles of democracy. So first of all, we announced this last week, and I also put it in announcements. So for each social studies class, if you go to announcements, you'll find the announcement in there. I actually posted it a week ago today, so on September 21st. But if you go into Principles of Democracy test Wednesday or Thursday, September 30th or October 1st, depending on what class you have, there's a reminder, and it gives you a link to the resources page that's found in our module. So you can either go to it here, or if you were to look actually in the modules page, you could find it in Unit 1, as you can see on the screen, under Principles of Democracy Resources. So within this page here, there are resources such as an outline of the ideas that students will be expected to know for the test, the notes, a timeline of events, key vocabulary, and a study guide. Now, we did the study guide today in class. Students who didn't get a chance to finish or who maybe didn't get to it can simply open it up. It is a Google Doc, which they'll make a copy of. And the answers are included down at the bottom 2 pages of the document. Now, what I told students is this is not graded. However, this is a great way to prepare and get a gauge for how much they know. So I strongly suggest that students use the resources with the notes that are included here, the highlighted fashion. There's a video that can go through the notes and give you the auditory explanation of them, or we talked about students can download the Google Chrome extension called Read Aloud, where they can have the text read to them, either all, or if they just select a certain portion of it, they can have that text read to them. So there are 5 principles of democracy that we went over in class. In addition, there are some links and this map to kind of show where democracy exists, all the places that are in blue here. So using this, also using whatever web skills that they have to try and search for information, students are encouraged to answer these questions 1 and 2 on the front page, and then continue with 3 through 13 on the second page. Then they can check their answers with the last 2 pages. And what I suggested for students is if there's anything that you did not get correct, I would highlight the entire question and either highlight it in a specific color, whether it's yellow or whether it's, sometimes red is a color of like caution and warning. So this might be a warning to you to go back and check and look at this question again in the answer choices, or you can simply highlight it and put it in a specific color. So maybe you want to have it be in red. Whatever your method will be, that's one thing that's suggested. Going back to the agenda and the list of what's going to be on there under announcements. So today on September 28th and also tomorrow, September 29th, for my other class, the assignments that we are doing is working on the study guide. In addition to these assignments here, all under the Unit 1 module, Principles of Democracy. So completing the Principles of Democracy CSI, completing the Decoding the Preamble assignment, as well as this Comparing Democracy to Dictatorship. Those are all assignments that will be graded. So the ones in red need to be finished and turned in. Those will help you with the test. Also, trying your luck at these, or trying your skill, I should say, at these assignments. Democracy in Our Founding Documents 1 and 2. Again, all of this can be found in modules under the Unit 1 module. It's highly encouraged that students attempt those between now and their test date. And any questions that they have or anything that they might need, feel free to reach out to me through Canvas or through email, or the allotted student support time from 12:55 to 1:15 every day. Again, just encourage that students will make an appointment with me, or they can meet with me during my office hours in the morning from 7:45 until 8:05 via Zoom. I can send them the link. All they need to do is contact me and ask for that. So hopefully that will help you with our first test. Good luck to everybody. And remember, success favors the prepared.